Hello guys, good morning. So we're here at Dollarama store near our place. I was just like checking main lines from this store, so I was just hoping that we can get some cheese or some treasure hunt or even super treasure hunt. And if you ever see a car that you wanted to buy to add to your collection, where the location of this one is at Signal Hills, Southwest Calgary, Alberta. So might as well come and then just check whichever or what cars do you want to pick from here. As for me, I'm still trying to like scan everything from here and hope that I can find one which is not in my collection yet. But I think this store haven't restocked their stuff yet. So mostly this is from last month or last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. As I remember, these cars are still sitting here from past weeks, as I've said. But we're still hoping to find one and see all those cars that are in the back of these main lines. Maybe there's something there that we can find. So yeah, come on and then let's find out. And yeah guys, we're down to the last row of Hot Wheels main lines here from Dollarama. And I guess today is not our lucky day. I don't think we're able to pick up one. This one we already have it, and this is a nice looking car as well. Down to the last main lines. And yeah, I don't think we're gonna pick anything of this. And I hope you like this video and keep coming back for more. See you.